Welcome back to NerdServ, everyone. Today I'm going to be doing something I've meant to do for a long time, and I am going to upgrade to Windows 11. And I figured, since I'm going to do it on my computer, I might as well make a video to show you guys how to do it on yours. Now, Microsoft made Windows 11 for free, I think, as long as you own Windows 10. So it's pretty easy to upgrade to. You just got to make sure your computer will pass the check. And by that, I mean it has the right specs and everything to upgrade to it. Which, long story short, my computer did not, because it did not support TPM 2.0. A little technical, but anyways, it did, and it just wasn't reading it, but I finally got it fixed, so I can upgrade it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, let's start off with making sure your computer can run Windows 11. Most likely it can, but in case you have a problem like me, Microsoft released a free health check. Kind of a crappy app, but it will help you determine if your computer can run Windows 11. So we got to go to the Windows Update, which I think I have it in here because I've been in here a lot. So I'm going to go to check for updates. And in the Windows Update menu, you can see it says Windows 11 is ready and it's free. Everybody likes free. Now, this has just appeared recently. I did not have this here because of the whole TPM 2.0 debacle. But as you can see, you can download and install, or you can stay on Windows 10 for now, which I've been fine with Windows 10, but I wanted to make a video and I wanted to show you guys, so let's do this. Okay, now the biggest thing you're going to want to know is if your computer does not meet the requirements, it should say something over here in the top right over here, about getting a PC health check. I'll leave a link in the description so you can download the health check. But I already have it downloaded, so I'll show you what it looks like before we update. And this is the PC health check. Microsoft released this so it could help you update to Windows 11 and make sure your computer was ready for it and had the specs. As you can see, Windows Update, attention required. No idea what that means, but probably just means I need to update it. You can back up and sync here. You can see your storage capacity and other stuff, but this is basically how you check your computer by clicking check now here. And as you can see, my PC meets the requirements. That is the first time it said that in the whole time I've been doing this. But if you don't meet the requirements, it should tell you what your computer does not meet, or if it's something like the TPM 2.0, good luck on that. That took me a long time to figure out. In fact, I don't even know what worked, honestly. I remember doing a bunch of things, and then eventually I just turned my computer on and it said I had TPM 2.0, so that's a little more complicated. It involved the BIOS and other stuff, but I won't get into that. Anyways, I meet the results. As you can see all results here and see what it says. TPM 2.0 enabled. God, I love that. Your processor supported, you have 4 gigabytes of RAM at least, and all the other stuff. And like I said, in the description, I'll leave a link to where you can download the PC health check, but if your computer doesn't meet it, it should have a link to get you there itself. And because of my TPM 2.0 experience, I did download one other thing that I will put in the description too, is this Why Not Win11. I think that's how you say it. This is another checker to make sure your computer is ready for Windows 11. As you can see, it tells me everything here, a little more detailed. The TPM is the thing, TPM2 detected, CPU frequency, the cores, the boot method. Your computer is ready for Windows 11. So this is something else you can use if you want another thing to check, or if you're looking for what the reason why you can't update to Windows 11 is, which for me was a pain in the butt, probably because I built my own computer and it was just one little thing that wasn't on. But anyways, there's 2 options you can do to check your computer. Thing you want to do before you update is back up your computer. You can do that with Microsoft's OneDrive. You can do that with like a USB drive or a backup partition, something like that. I won't get into backing up your data, but just make sure you do that. So I think that's everything. Without further ado, let's update and see what this does. So back in the Windows Update menu, since this is here now, Windows 11 is ready and it's free. All we have to do is click on download and install. So here we go. Okay, it's going to show us the software license term. You can read all this, of course. I will pretend like I'm doing that by scrolling down like this. Ooh, look, I'm reading it all. And there, I understand it. Then you want to click accept and install. And now it is downloading Windows 11. And that's pretty much all you do, guys. And this will take a while. So I'll speed things up and meet you on the other side. And welcome to Windows 11, everyone. Now that was a long process. It had to download and install for a long time, and then your computer will have to restart and you'll have to go through all that bull crap. And that will leave us here at Windows 11. As you can see, new wallpaper, new taskbar, and probably new other stuff. I don't really know what all it is, but they even got a new start menu. So that's all it takes to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10. It's honestly very easy, you just gotta make sure your computer specs are up to it. So just to look at the Windows update before we go. As you can see, we're in Windows Update, and there are new updates for Windows 11. Pending install. Don't know what happened there, but now we can get on our way to upgrading Windows 11. So that's basically what I wanted to show you today. If this video helped you at all or entertained you in any ways, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content in the future. Because now my videos will be titled Windows 11 instead of Windows 10, if I put it in the title. Anyways, have a great day, everyone. Y'all take care now.